Going to be working on this Panasonic camera. It's a DC-S5. And the problem with this is that the LCD screen is come apart and cracked. It's taken a bit of a hit. So what we're going to do is replace the entire LCD screen assembly, which comes like this from Panasonic. Comes with a flex ribbon and it's mounted onto the rest of the camera. So we're going to pull that apart and replace it with this one, and hopefully everything works perfectly. Let's get into it. So the LCD screen is mounted on the back cover assembly. I'm going to have to pull that apart to access it and replace it. Out with the old, in with the new. We'll put it all back together and get it going. Give it a quick test and make sure it's working fine. The battery in. I gave it a bit of a charge, it was pretty dead. We'll open the LCD screen up and switch it on. That's what I want to see. The LCD screen comes on. Works perfect.